Today we're going to explore an interesting question. Is 24 karat gold magnetic? Let's find out through a simple experiment using gold leaf and a neodymium magnet. First, let's understand what makes something magnetic. At the atomic level, magnetism comes from the spin and orbital motion of electrons. In magnetic materials, groups of atoms form magnetic domains where their electron spins align. Gold, being a noble metal, has a special electron configuration. All of its electron shells are completely filled, meaning there are no unpaired electrons. This makes gold diamagnetic. It actually creates a very weak magnetic field that opposes external magnetic fields. Let's demonstrate this with our experiment. Here we have a sheet of 24 karat gold leaf, pure gold that's been hammered extremely thin. And here's our powerful neodymium magnet. When we bring the magnet close to the gold leaf, we observe nothing. The gold leaf doesn't attract to the magnet at all. This confirms that pure gold is not magnetic. Its diamagnetic properties are so weak that we can't observe them in everyday situations. However, it's important to note that some gold jewelry might show magnetic properties. This is because they're not pure gold. They contain other metals like iron, nickel, or cobalt that are magnetic. So in fact, testing for magnetism can be one way to check if gold is pure. So there you have it. Pure 24 karat gold is not magnetic due to its electron configuration, but lower karat gold might show magnetic properties due to the presence of other metals. Remember this the next time you're checking if that gold jewelry is really pure gold.